Saki here and welcome back to my channel. I have a very exciting video for you guys today because I'm going to be doing a little shopping vlog because it is almost Mother's Day. Well, we're still quite a while away, but I like to get a jump on things and, you know, kind of get ahead and prepare. So I decided that I was going to go Mother's Day shopping today, and I have something really special planned for my mom because she is a huge Louis Vuitton fan. I'm going to go into Louis Vuitton today and pick her up something really special. At least I hope so. My essay said he put it to the side for me, so hopefully I can go get it. I'm so excited to be showing you guys. I will also unbox the item, hopefully in this video for you guys so that you can see what it is, because I know that you will love it and I know I will love it as well. In fact, I'm a little bit nervous that I might want to keep this item for myself instead of giving it to her, but I'm gonna be strong and know that hopefully I can still borrow it from my mom if I want to in the future. So I actually just finished getting dressed and I'm meeting my essay in about an hour, but I wanted to talk to you guys first because this video is actually sponsored by Luisa Jewelry. I'm so excited to be working with them, especially for this Mother's Day, because you guys know I'm a huge fan of Luisa Jewelry. I pretty much wear their jewelry in every single video just because I love it so much. So I'm very excited to be announcing that they're going to be having a 15% discount sale for Mother's Day, which you can actually shop right now. They also sent me a couple of pieces, which of course I will show you. I'm really excited about it this time because one of the pieces I'm actually going to gift my mom for Mother's Day. I think that she will really love it. Alright, so I just set you guys down so that you can see the pieces a little bit better, but I'm going to be showing you guys what I actually got from my mom first. I picked this out myself and I think that she will really love it. So this is what I picked out for her. It is the Vita V necklace. How freaking beautiful is this? It is gold and it's got a couple of rhinestones in that V area. My mom and I are so similar in our taste in so many different ways. I mean, you guys know that. I've talked about her so many times on my channel and I really do think that she will love this. I think the reason why I am like stylish or whatever is definitely because of my mom. She is definitely my icon, my style icon, my life icon. She really has taught me from a young age like how to dress and how to be yourself, and in turn I think a lot of my tastes have been based off of hers. So although she does wear like flashy jewelry sometimes, she also really likes minimal stuff just like me, so that is why I know she will love this necklace. So although this is going to end up my mom's, I'm gonna try it on for you guys just in case you are interested in this piece. This piece specifically is $95 before the 15% discount, but there are so many different pieces from Ana Luisa starting at just $39, so it'll definitely be easy to find something that's right for you and for the special mom in your life if you are looking for a nice little gift. The next two pieces I definitely picked out for myself. This necklace is called the Willow necklace and it is $75 before the discount. I absolutely love this stacked necklace look. It's so cute. So the reason why Ana Luisa jewelry is so inexpensive, especially for the quality that you're getting, is because there is no luxury markup for what they are selling. They're also really sustainable as they 100% offset all carbon emissions related to the jewelry's life cycle. I'm definitely going to be wearing a lot of these kinds of pieces for the summer, especially because I love like open tops like this, and I think that, you know, a necklace like this really adds something to the outfit. Now the last thing that I have to show you are a pair of earrings, because you know earrings are my favorite. I picked these earrings up. They're called the D earrings and they are really similar to ones that I picked out last time. I really love this like safety pin look in the earring. I don't know why, it's just kind of like edgy, but this one has its own like unique touch because it's got those like little rhinestones at the bottom. So please don't forget to check out Ana Luisa's sale. It started on May 12th, so it's already going on right now. It's 15% for Mother's Day. Definitely pick up something for your mom and definitely pick something up for yourself as well because this is a really awesome sale. If you do want to check these pieces out or anything else on the Ana Luisa website, I will leave a link down in the description box below. Now the last day to get guaranteed standard shipping before May 9th is May 5th here in the US. So definitely don't forget to check it out before that date. Thank you again to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video, and let's get on with the vlog. Alright, before we got going, I did want to show you guys my outfit. Sorry, my room in the background is a total mess. On filming days, I just really don't have time to like clean up and everything, and I have an appointment at Louis Vuitton and like I said, a little bit, so yeah, I just didn't have time to clean. Anyways, so it's not actually super hot outside, but I'm so sick of dressing for winter that I just decided to go for it. So I'm wearing this like, I don't know, like eyelet top I got last year. I think this is just from H&M. It was very inexpensive. And I paired it with this beautiful Luisa skirt that I haven't worn in a while. But whatever, it is so summery. And I think it goes with my Papillon BB, my new little Papillon BB baby. Sorry, my camera strap is in the way. But yeah, I'm so happy with this bag. You guys had such a positive response to my unboxing. I'm so glad that I was able to, you know, sway most of you to the Papillon BB club. I think that this bag is super awesome, and I definitely have no regrets. I know Louis Vuitton like hasn't been my thing in a really long time, but I do really enjoy this bag. And to finish the whole look off, I am just wearing my Gucci Ace perforated sneakers. I was thinking about wearing my Louis Vuitton ones, but I just think that it'll be overkill if I'm wearing both the Louis Vuitton bag and the Louis Vuitton sneakers. So this one just has the pink at the back. And yeah, I think this is the look that I'm going for. How freaking cute and summery do I look?
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. What's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. For I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'm a drink at this pace.
I am back, and I have the item that I picked out for my mom. I thought we could unbox it together and I could show you what I got, because there was a lot of stuff there at Louis Vuitton. So finally they were able to get the, I think it's called the By the Pool collection, which is the summer 2021 collection. I had been waiting for it for a long time because they were only taking pre-orders, and my essay said that the shipment was delayed for this collection, so it should have been released like weeks ago in store, but they were unable to get it until recently. I think literally like 2 days ago or something. So I picked something up. There was a lot to choose from. I feel like there were more pieces than I thought, especially from just having seen it on the website. I saw there was like a zippy wallet, and there's also a Victorine wallet in this color, and an on-the-go tote, a Neverfull, just so many other things that I just didn't see from the website. So I don't know if they've added it since, or if it's just one of those situations where they have more product in store than they do on the website. But anyways, I did manage to choose one. You could probably narrow it down from how big the box is. The reason why I got this item is because my mom doesn't have one yet. Okay, you probably already know what this is from that description, but yeah, she's always wanted one of these items and she's never gotten one, so I thought it would be fun to give this to her. Here's the dust bag, and I have to reveal to you guys the brand new Louis Vuitton Neverfull in the By the Pool print for 2021. How gorgeous is this? I was actually really stunned when I went in and saw this collection. I thought it's beautiful online, but in store it just, you know, was so magical. It matched my outfit so perfectly. The skirt that I was wearing today also had pink and yellow on it, which is just so funny. Even though I knew I was going in to see this collection, I didn't plan that. It just like kind of happened that way. So I kept getting compliments in the store saying that like, oh, that bag like matches you so much. I hope that you get it. And I'm like, yeah, I am getting it, but it's just not for me. But you know that your girl is gonna borrow this from time to time because look how stunning this is. So it's made out of canvas like all the other Neverfulls are, but the canvas on this one is actually more like structured. He was showing me like in comparison to the normal bags that they have in store, like the normal Neverfull. The normal Neverfull like folds and flops over, but this one is really sturdy. So I think for the seasonal canvas, they make it more like durable than the like, you know, normal one or whatever. This was also more expensive than the regular Neverfull. I think it was about like $1,000 more expensive, but I think that happens every time that they do one of these like limited edition releases. So yeah, it's inevitable. So the bag just looks like this, and I gotta say, from having my Neverfull for so long and for it being like so worn and raggedy. This one just seems like so beautiful and new and pristine, and look how crazy light the vachetta is. Like, I haven't seen vachetta that light in so long. So yeah, it just looks the same on the front and the back. It's got the larger monogram print with the ombre effect. People were commenting on my Instagram that this looks like pink lemonade, and I totally agree. On the inside, it is just lined in pink. I think this pink is similar to the rose ballerine color, but of course mine is too dirty for me to be able to compare and tell if it's the exact same color. And then of course it does come with the little Neverfull pouch too, which I was actually trying to decide between this one and the on-the-go tote, because you know, they're both tote bags, and my mom did say that she liked the on-the-go tote, but I just thought that this was a better deal because you get a pouch with it, and plus this was less expensive than the on-the-go tote. That bag was $3 grand, and for a canvas bag I was just like, no, not happening. So yeah, I decided to go with this one instead. What do you guys think? I love it so much, and of course it has this little charm as well. It kind of reminds me of like a beach bag or something, but of course it's probably a little bit too expensive to become a beach bag. But yeah, I think she's gonna really like it. I'll let you guys know what she thinks, and hopefully I'll get to borrow it too, so you might see it on my channel a little bit. Alright, so that was all for my video. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think of the new Louis Vuitton Summer 21 collection. Did you get anything from there? I would love to know. Before I go, I did want to mention April's giveaway. I am giving away this bag from Eco Susie. It's just a cute little messenger bag that's made of vegan leather. All you have to do to enter April's giveaway is leave this emoji in the comment section down below. You can comment in as many videos as you want in the month of April for only the videos I upload in April. Please also leave your Instagram username if it is different from your YouTube username. You also do have to be subscribed to me here on YouTube and following me on Instagram to enter. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you again to Anna Luisa for sponsoring this video. Please don't forget to check out their sale. I will leave a link to it in the description box below, along with all of the names of the pieces that I showed you in this video. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you're having a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye!